Let's check all of the box accessories that comes with Tapo C520WS. So I've already removed the box as it wouldn't fit in the camera. The first thing you will see is instructions along with the stickers and warranties. So let's put them aside and focus on the accessories. So here we have a power cord. It's a standard power cord for this type of a camera. Then we have a wall mount, or whatever you call it, which allows you to mount the camera to your wall. And there's also a cable that allows you to connect your camera with that wall or any electricity plug. And there's also Ethernet cable right here. We have the screws. And finally, right here, we have a camera. There's also one more thing. I'm going to cover that in a second. So the camera is covered in some foil that we can remove. And then here it is. And the one thing that I pulled out is a cover for the cable, which you can mount along with the wall mount. And that is basically everything you get with the camera.